There it is, finally, in my house. It came in last night about 8:45 p.m. I was really surprised it came in that late, but it's here. And I've already charged it up, and it didn't even take 2 hours. Unbelievable. This is really something else. But anyway, this is going to be a fun unboxing today video. Yeah, I know I've already unboxed it, but you know why. But anyway, this sucker is heavy. There's no way I could lug it around. Thank goodness it's got a pull-out handle right here. I can roll it around like people do their luggage at the airport. But anyway, I just want to share this with you. I'll see you in the video later on after I make it in my neighbor's shop. Bye now.